This video details the safe installation of the Topec system, including the setup and installation of the handrail system. The deck is first installed from below by lifting deck pans onto a series of leg supports. The pans are manually lifted into place, with safe access provided using mupes. This results in a deck without edge protection and voids around columns. A hangman is then lifted into place with a crane and slotted into the sleeve of the column. A mupe is also used for the slinger to gain access to the top of the column to slot in the hangman. The decking operative has an array of tools to do the job. Each tool is attached to his belt using a tether to prevent dropping the tools from height. The operative must ensure he has all tools required to do the tasks. Handrail sliders are prepared on the ground in advance before being lifted onto the deck. The operative waits for the crane to lift a handrail slider onto the deck before climbing onto the deck himself. The operative unhooks the slider handrail and waits for other handrail sliders to be lifted into place. He then forms a safe enclosure around himself before fixing the K-guard barriers. The operative then tethers a K-guard post to himself and installs the K-guard posts from behind the handrail sliders and locks them into place. The tether is then removed from the post. A K-guard panel is then tethered to a second hangman and lifted into place by two operatives from behind the handrail slider. The K-guard is attached securely, and the tether is released. The sliders are then moved to the next section of leading edge, and the process is repeated. To form a protective barrier on the deck, K-guard is used with the sliders to form the safe working zone inside collective edge protection. When done properly, it's a safe and efficient system of work that maintains primary edge protection throughout the process of working on leading edges.